So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to deposit crypto into your account on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the purple deposit button. Once you're here, it says cash or crypto. If you want to deposit crypto, obviously press on crypto. So once you're here, you can go ahead and select your assets to deposit. So for example, if you wanted to deposit Bitcoin, I'll just go ahead and press on Bitcoin right here. Now where to select network, you can go ahead and use Bitcoin, Lightning, or Unchained. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and deposit with Bitcoin. It'll give you instructions. So understand Bitcoin right here, the minimum deposit, processing time, etc. Once that is done and you read through it, press on I understand. So once you're here as well, it'll give you a Bitcoin address and a QR code. So it'll show you the network, the minimum deposit, and the processing time. So you can copy the address and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to deposit crypto into your account on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.